Hello guys, how to increase font size in Safari on your iPhone. You can easily increase font size of your Safari. To do so, launch Safari and open any website www.tipshowto.com. Open it, and here from the left top corner you will find the two alphabet a smaller capital. Tap on it, and here tap on A, and it will increase 1.5%. And from where you can increase or decrease font size from here of your any particular website. Now we will see how to increase or decrease font size and set it for all websites. And to set it as for all websites, go to settings, tap on Safari. Here scroll down and go to settings for websites and set a page zoom size from here.